Hi, good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi.
My name is Fernando.
Okay.
So I'm from EP. So today, my assignment for this project is about inventory management.
Okay.
So my question is about receipt and inspection of a company or a food store. Okay. So I have only 3 questions that I'm gonna ask. So they're very simple question. So are the products within their expiration or use by date?
Other products? Of course, we need to.
What I mean is, do you use your product before expiry date, or how do you guys deal with it? If it's expired or
Okay, there's 2 questions there.
yeah.
So, what is the first question first?
Okay, the first is all your product used before expiration date?
Of course.
Okay, so what if it's expired? What do you do with all the products that is stored in your shop?
First of all, if the product is going to be expired,
Okay.
we won't accept
You want expired? Alright.
because let's say it's because we're in the FFB, the stock that I keep is usually about a week, not a week. So whatever, that means the stock will run very fast.
Alright.
Okay, I mean, I'm talking about, let's say, canned food or spaghetti or whatever. Not fresh food. Fresh food is few days.
Yeah.
So you're talking about expiry means like canned food or boxed food and all these things. If the product arrive and then we see 1 week to expiry or going to expire, we won't accept the So technically we don't have any expired product.
So my question, second question, does your product from the supplier, which they deliver, do they store in a correct temperature during transportation?
I don't know my supplier because I don't. It's a wrong question to ask. But anyway, I'd rather if the product is temperature controlled, like for example milk or ice cream.
Alright.
Yes, they have to come in with the temperature control instruction.
Alright.
But then if it's not, then you don't worry.
So the last question, is there any specific quality standards or requirement for certain products that need to be checked? For example, your fresh product, chicken, your meat, and then
I mean, like the staff will check lah. I mean, like whether it's fresh or not. That's all. How to check? So what do you mean? I mean, what do you want to get?
what I want to get, it's just that, do you have a quality standard for your store? Like, what is your standard of producing your meals to your customers, or
Okay. First of all, I'm not like an ISO or whatever company, okay? Because it's just a restaurant. If the products come and if you look not fresh or it's broken or it's dented or whatever, we will just reject it because it's all by supplier.
okay.
So there's no like particular quality in the sense of if you're talking about ISO and all this, we will have. Of course, because it's an independent shop. But the thing is that if you look at the product that comes and it smells, let's say chicken, it smells a problem. Of course, we reject already. So that's the standard lah.
Alright. Okay, thank you for your time.
Thanks.
加了一个问我。还可以到这里。你们是我先。问你。I have to ask the first question is, how do F&B as a management manage the issue of ingredient and suppliers for daily food preparation?
Come again? How do
F&B as management manage the issue of ingredients and suppliers for daily food preparation?
How does F&B manage the what?
Issuing of ingredients and supplies for daily food preparation.
Issuing
Of ingredients ingredients.
Of ingredients for supply.
Yes.
We just take from the chiller and cook lah. Or what? I don't understand your question.
Okay.
Because you're talking about material, I mean the product supply already is a totally different question from my restaurant, you see. It doesn't, this question is not suitable for the restaurant.
Okay, so the second question is how does the F&B industry address delivery logistics, including route optimization and delivery tracking?
Also, wrong question for my restaurant. How do I optimize? I call Grab, is it? You see, because you think of the question and you think, oh, it's a restaurant. How am I going to do? This question you should ask those F&B supplier, my supplier. Yeah, you ask the wrong person. You understand, right?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, so last question is, are there any best practices for managing rehearsal goods during the issuing and dispatching process?
Best practice for what?
Best practice for managing rehearsal goods during the
Perishable goods.
yes, during the issuing and dispatching process.
It's the same thing. Wrong industry. Sorry, wrong person. I'm the end of the line. I am the restaurant that uses the things from the supplier. So all these three questions you should ask my supplier. Because you're talking about logistics already, man.
Yeah.
Is it logistics? I didn't deal with logistics.
Just
Got lah. Lalabo come or Grab come there. I just do nothing to do with it. All these three questions is all logistics questions, which is my supplier, not me. So I can answer this. So you have to be very sure what you want to ask.
yeah.
What else?
So my name is Brian.
Hi, nice to meet you. Okay.
Can you provide information on how to conduct the validation on how to store?
How do I conduct inventory check? How do I check my inventory basically? Okay, like I said, my restaurant we have a 1 week turnaround time. At least all my food, whatever I order this week, will finish by next week. So the thing is, whatever we buy is all, we have a shelf and then we just display there. So if finish already, we will order again. And we don't order a lot. We don't have like a big warehouse that we put all the things there. So we just like say we got, for example, we got 5 tomato cans, so 5 tomato cans, finish the what, then we order again. That's all. Everything is displayed in the shelf. You need to answer this question. Do I have a system? Stock and actual inventory quantities. I used to have. But the thing is, how to say that? Because you all Google and get this question one. That's the problem. You all don't know the industry. You ask this question, this is, like I said, this is for my supplier. You see, my product is, whatever I buy, that product will turn into a pasta or a rice. So there's no way to track. You understand? It's not like I have this, I sell this to this person. So there's a track, there's a way to track. First in, first out, or whatever. But mine is not. Mine is like tomato sauce I put into a pasta already. So you cannot see it already. You understand? Okay. Next question. No more. Next. No, the thing is, I understand your what, but the thing is, you Google it, it's a wrong
Yeah.
industry.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Hi.
My name.
Kwan. Okay.
So my first question is, what material are the food storage container made of in your shop?
咱们等下接我的电话，我要看我的 question。
What material?
Material are the food storage container made
Stainless steel.
先给我。
Stainless steel.
food storage container
Food storage container is stainless steel. Yes.
in your shop?
Yeah, I just answered you. Stainless steel. 不锈钢。
Can you
Ah.
My second question is, what material and tools do you use during the food preparation process?
What?
Material and tools.
Stainless steel things also. Everything is stainless steel.
Tools.
Yeah.
Okay, my last question is, what material are the kitchen equipment in the food source preparing method?
Stainless steel.
All the
Every
everything.
F&B have to be stainless steel.
Thank you, sir.
This is relevant, but then yeah,
Selena.
stainless steel. Yes.
Selena. Yeah, my name is Jia.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Now, I want to ask a question about the marketing system, something like how you get the customer feedback on the recipe, on the shop, the wine.
Okay.
I want to know how you get the comment, how you receive it.
I don't have.
You don't have.
But if it's good or bad, they will put in Google review. So yeah.
So you have to always go to Google review to.
Yeah, I mean, I have I am the administrator, you see, so whatever good or bad I will receive it. Yeah. So that is, I guess that is the best way lah. Google review or Facebook or whatever lah, or Instagram. Yeah.
And the second one, I want to ask you, do you have the system to record the employee management, something like the personal details or what?
Record my employee what?
The employee details. Do you have the system to record?
Yes, I have. I mean, like, we also take basics information on it because most of my employees are part-timers. So we only need like, and then they only work sometimes 2-3 months or 6 months only.
So you also have a system to calculate their working hour.
Correct. All in the POS. In the computer, yes. Yeah.
The last question for me is, do you consider to having an e-commerce shop like on workshop, or do you want to
Consider e-commerce shop. I mean, I'm on Grab, I'm on Shopee. I have my own website which also is selling. I already got online already.
is on my own website?
Yes. You should do your research before you come to ask me this
Okay.
question because you are going to interview me. Is it?
Yeah,
Anything else?
I think that's all for my
Okay.
question.
Relevant, but not. But some is not relevant because you have to know what is your customer. I mean, what you want to interview.
That's all the questions
No problem.
today.
Sorry, you have to wait for a while. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Half an hour.